Okay. Is the voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A very good morning to all the participants. I welcome you on day 4 of the 5 days ATL online workshop on parallel algorithms for computation biology. But today we have with us Swati Chaturvedi ma'am, and she will be uh, session on stress management and meditation. Good morning, Swati ma'am. And a brief introduction, sharing the journey of Mrs. Swati Chaturvedi in the path of yoga. Swati Chaturvedi is the founder of One World Yoga, an online yoga studio located in Manipal, Karnataka. She is a BTech in computer science and has worked for MNCs such as Accenture and Bank of America for more than 6 years in Hyderabad and Pune. However, after experiencing deep meditative states in 2015, she explored yoga as her passion. Since then, she never looked back, and she has gone through 6 rigorous certified trainings from renowned yoga schools of India. She's a certified yoga teacher by Government of India and is currently finishing her master's education in yoga from Swami Vivekanand Yoga Anusandhan Samsthan, deemed to be university in Bangalore. She regularly gets invited to teach yoga in various corporates for different communities and age groups. In her journey, ma'am became an art of living teacher and meditation coach to conduct various workshops such as happiness program, online breath and meditation workshop, Nav Chetna Shibir, Bal Chetna Shibir, Kids Sanskar workshop, Project Pavitra Women Empowering program, and etc. She's also working with the Ministry of Ayush Yog Nirog program to provide yoga therapies to numerous COVID patients under home isolation. And she also takes inspiration from Gurudev, Sri Ravi Shankar ji, and is rooted in ancient Indian wisdom. And she aspires to spread the knowledge of yoga globally and to complete her PhD in yogic science. I welcome you, ma'am, for the 10th session. And I'm over to you.
नमस्ते टू ऑल, गुड मॉर्निंग। सभी लोग अपने वीडियोस ऑन कर लेंगे। आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीबडी टू टर्न ऑन योर वीडियोस, बी कंफर्टेबल। थैंक यू, thank you so much. Thank you, Abba, for introducing me, and thank you for inviting me for this session. So I want you, all of you, to participate. Make sure you are comfortable, your clothes are loose enough so that you can move and do some stretching. Yeah, all right. We will start with prayer. Everybody, let us close our eyes. Just pay attention to your breath. Observe how the breath is moving right now. With a smile on your face, take a breath in and breathe out. Join the hands in Namaste. Take a breath in. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Relax, everyone. Keep your hands on your knees, open upward. With eyes closed, just observe how the mind is. Observe how you're feeling right now. And slowly, slowly, you may open your eyes. All right. So how is everybody? कैसे हैं सभी लोग? I hope you all understand little English and Hindi. English, of course, but Hindi also, isn't it? Yes? All right. I would again request to turn on your videos. अपने videos on कर लीजिए. All right. So we will start with some general, stretching of our joints, which is very important. As you all are attending this workshop, and in the sessions, you have to sit straight. So if you're not sitting straight, if you're, rolling your back out, or you're not sitting properly, your whole position, of your body is in stress. And this stress also reflect in your mind, in your behavior. Okay, so it's very important that we sit properly, we sit straight, our neck should remain erect, our back should remain erect. Yeah. All right, so we'll start with our neck movement. Okay, so as you inhale with a smile, let's take the chin up, stretch your neck. As you exhale, bring your chin down to the chest. Let's repeat this. Breathe in, stretch your neck up. Breathe out, bring your chin down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. And come back to the center. Now let's bend our neck to the right side. Without lifting your shoulders, just simply bend your neck. Now, as you inhale, come back to center. So those who are sitting on chair, they can also do it. If by chance you are not having your yoga mat and you are sitting on a chair, you can easily do yoga sitting on chair as well, okay? Now take your neck to the left. Breathe in center. Breathe out right. Center. Left. Center. Right. Center, left, and center. All right, now we will turn our neck to the right side, like we are trying to look back from the right side. Observe the stretch in your neck. Keep holding, and slowly as you inhale, come back to center. Now, as you exhale to the left side, breathe in, come back to center. I'm sure many of you must be already practicing yoga, and if not, you're doing certain, activities to take care of your physical health. If not, no problem, you will learn certain moves today. So pay attention, participate so that you can, remember all these. All right. Now we will do neck rotation. So take a breath. As you exhale, bring your chin down to the chest. Now from right side, let's start rotating our neck. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, take your head down. Continue. You can close your eyes, everyone. And just feel, do with awareness. Observe your shoulders, your neck. It's very, very relaxing. Now let's repeat with the left side, everyone. As you inhale, take your head back. As you exhale, bring it in the front. One more round. With a smile on your face. And come back to center. All right. Just close your eyes. Pay attention to your neck. Give a moment to your neck. Take a breath in and breathe out. Slowly, you may open your eyes. So now, we should also take care of our eyes, no? So we'll do certain movements for our eyes. Even our eyes get stressed, and this stress actually reflects in our behavior as well, okay? So these eyes are always working from the time we wake up in the morning till the time we go to bed. The eyes are always busy, these days busy with the screen, yeah? So very important that we should pay attention to our eyes. So now, let's, as we inhale, look up. Everybody, look up. As you exhale, look down. Continue. Keep your body still. Now move your eye from right to the left. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep moving. Now look diagonally, like you are making a diagonal. Now the other diagonal. Keep breathing, keep looking, you can smile. Now let's look all the four corners one by one. Like you're making a huge rectangle or a huge square shape. Try not to move your head, pay attention, keep your body still. Let's reverse the direction. Same four corner points, opposite. Relax. Now let's rotate our eyeballs, clockwise rotations. Come on, everyone, try. Keep smiling. Now let's reverse the direction, do the opposite, anti-clockwise. Now let's start blinking our eyes. Keep blinking. पलकें झपकाएं जल्दी जल्दी. Now squeeze your eyes tight. Breathe in, open them wide. Squeeze, open, squeeze, open, squeeze, open, and close your eyes. Let's rub our palms, make them warm. Come on. Now make a cup shape with your palms and place these cups on top of your eyes. Relax, everyone. Take a deep breath. And breathe out. Another deep breath. Completely exhale. Slowly, slowly, let us all open our eyes. So, how is everyone? How are you feeling? Yeah, your eyes are relaxed. Yeah, better. So like this, we should give some minutes to our eyes. It doesn't take more than 2 minutes to take care of your eyes. So take out 2 minutes every day. And those who are sitting in front of screen more than 5 hours, after every 1 hour, you can practice this and really take care of the stress on your eyes. All right. Now comes the turn of our hands. Let's stretch our hands in the front. Spread your fingers. As you exhale, make tight fist. As you inhale, stretch. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Make tight fist. Very, very tight. Tight, 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 tight. And release. One more round. Make very tight. Tight, 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 and release. Now again, stretch your hands in the front and then rotate your thumbs. Come on. So we use thumbs a lot, no? Everybody use it, touch phone, touch devices. So you should also take care of these thumbs. Let's do the opposite. All right, now press your palms against each other like this. Very easy. And press them against each other tightly. Press, press, press. Observe your shoulders. And release. Now let's reverse. The hand which was pointing up, make it down. And again, press, 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 press. And release. Now start shaking your hands. Come on, everyone, shake your hands. Shake your upper body. Shake your full body if possible. Shake, 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 shake. Come on, shake, 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 shake. Wake up each and every cell. And relax, everyone. Eyes closed. Observe the sensations throughout your body, especially your hands. Take a breath in and breathe out. Slowly, let us all open our eyes. So enjoying, everyone? Yes? You can always show me thumbs up if you want to say yes, or if you want to say no, you can show me thumbs down. Yeah, I'm sure you all know this sign language of online sessions. And if you have any problem, any questions, anything, you can write it in the chat box if the voice is not clear or anything. Just feel free to unmute or use the chat box. Okay. All right. Now let's keep our hands on the knees. As you inhale, lift your shoulders up. As you exhale, bring your shoulders down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Come on, everybody. You can close your eyes and continue. Let's reverse the direction from back to front. Come on. And relax, everyone. Now, as you inhale, take your shoulders close to your ears. As you exhale, drop them, exhaling forcefully. Breathe in. This releases all the stress from your shoulders. One last time. And relax, close your eyes. Observe your shoulders. Observe your upper chest, upper back, neck. Take a breath in and breathe out. Slowly, let's open our eyes. Now let us start moving our body right and left like a pendulum. Everyone, keep breathing, keep moving. Now the turn comes of our spine. Yeah. We have done neck movements, we have done our eyes, hands, and now our spine, the most important, our backbone. You can on your chair also move right and left. Keep breathing. Slowly go a little more down. If you are sitting on a chair, you can hold the handle if the chair has the handle. If doesn't, you can hold your knee and try to stretch your other hand. Observe the stretch happening at the side of your body, and the one side is getting compression. As you inhale, come back up. As you exhale, now stretch to the other side. Come on, everyone, try. It's very, very good for our back. Let's repeat this. Breathe in up, breathe out, side. And come back, everyone. Close your eyes. Pay attention to your spine. Observe the base of your spine to the top of your spine. Take a breath in and breathe out. So 3 things are very, very important that you should make sure you follow doing yoga class, attending any yoga workshop, whether it is a meditation session or asana session, that our focus should be on the breath. Yeah, consciously throughout the session, we will be observing our breath, we will be breathing with awareness. Yeah. And the second thing is that whichever part is involved, we will be paying attention on that part. Whether it is neck, shoulder, spine, or if we are breathing our nose, lungs. So we will be consciously observing our body parts while whichever part is involved while doing that asana. Okay. And the third most important thing, it has to be done with positivity. There has to be a smile, maybe not on the face, but from inside, you should be happy and enjoy doing this. Okay. All right, so I hope these 3 points are clear to you. Now we will be doing spinal twist. All right, so take a breath in. As you exhale, let's take our left hand, keep it on the right knee, and right hand at the back. You can hold the chair if you are sitting on a chair and look back. Keep breathing. Keep twisting. Observe your neck. Observe your spine getting a nice twist. And as you inhale, come back, everybody. Now to the other side. Now the right hand on the left knee, left hand at the back. Come on, twist everyone. Try, try, try. Keep breathing. Now as you inhale, come back to center. Let us repeat this. We'll do a few more rounds. Go to your right side as you exhale. Breathe in center. Breathe out right. Breathe in center. Breathe out left. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Left. And come back, everyone. All right. Now keep your hands on your knees only. And let's stretch our back, our body to the back. Look up. As you exhale, slowly, slowly come forward. Keep on stretching your spine. Come down as much down as possible. Slowly, let's repeat this. Breathe in, up and back, everyone. As you exhale, slowly come in the front towards the floor. Breathe in, up and back. Breathe out, come down, come on. And relax here, take a moment here. Observe your eyebrow center. Observe your complete back. Take a breath in. And slowly rise up, come up everyone. All right, so now we'll move forward. Let us now stretch our legs in the front. You're sitting on the chair, then you can simply be as you are. Those who are sitting on your yoga mat, just spread your legs. You can use your hands to give support to your spine. Now can we start moving our toes, everyone? Bend your toes, release your toes. Just move your toes. So it's also important that how we keep our legs while we are sitting on a chair. So are you folding your legs? Are you keeping here and there? If you have a comfortable chair, then you can, sit in Sukhasana in a cross-legged position, if possible, on your chair. If not, you can have something, some support where you can keep your legs. Your legs should not hang. They should touch the floor. Now let's take our toes away from the body. Breathing out, bring them towards the body. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax, everyone. Now let's rotate our ankles. You can perform the same movement sitting on the chair as well. As you inhale, take your toes away. As you exhale, bring them towards you. Let's repeat in the opposite direction also. Come on, everyone. And relax. Now comes the turn of our knees. So hold your kneecap, right kneecap, and gently move it. You can move it in the front, back, right, left, gently rotate it. Yeah, make it feel that it exists. Now do with the left kneecap. Otherwise, we are aware of our body only when we get hurt, if we have any pain, any injury. So just move, keep breathing. All right. So if anybody has a knee problem, then you can avoid this one. Others can do it. So just we are shaking our knees up and down. On chair also, by sitting on chair, you can do it. Keep breathing, keep lifting your knees and dropping them one by one with a breath. And relax, everyone. Now, as you inhale, take both your hands up, 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 up. And as you exhale, come in the front. See if you can hold your toes. Those who are sitting on chair, just simply bend forward. Relax your hands also. Let your hands relax. Come closer to your legs. Stay there. Keep breathing. And as you inhale, slowly, slowly, come back up and release your hands. Now, those who are sitting on your chair, they can simply bend one leg and hold it and press it to the body. Others, bend your right leg, place your right hand at the back to support your spine. Now take the opposite hand in the front and bring it in the front. Maybe you can keep it on the floor or you can hold the leg which is at the back. और जो भी चेयर पे बैठे हैं बस अपने पैर को बेंड करके ऐसे हग कर लीजिए. All right. Keep breathing, everyone. Observe your tummy, the pressure coming on your tummy from the leg. Keep breathing. As you inhale, come back. Release your hand in the leg position. Now let's repeat with the other leg. Just bend, hold it. Those who are on the chair. Others, left hand you use to support your spine. Right hand you lift and bring it in the front, or you can catch your leg. Yeah, same hand, same leg. And look back, breathe. And relax, everyone. You can sit comfortably, close your eyes, and just observe your body. Observe after doing all these movements, how are you feeling? How the body is feeling? Let us take a tour of our whole body mentally. With eyes closed, we'll take a trip to our whole body. Let us take our attention towards the right leg. With eyes closed, let us observe our right foot. Observe the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the little toe. Complete sole and heel of your right foot. Observe the right ankle, calf muscle. Observe the right knee, complete thigh, right hip joint, complete right leg. Observing the leg, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Right leg is deeply relaxed. Now bring your attention to the left leg. Observe the left foot. Observe the big toe, second toe, third, fourth, and the little toe. Complete sole and heel, ankle, calf muscle, knee, complete left thigh. Observing the left leg, let us take another deep breath and exhale. Complete left leg is also deeply relaxed. Now bring your attention to the genitals, to the lower abdomen region, all the organs there, our intestines, bladder, stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, liver, kidneys. We're moving upward. Let us observe our chest region. Observe the rib cage, both our lungs, right lung, left lung, our heart. All these organs are continuously working, taking care of everything that goes inside. They're working in a team, in harmony. Let us be grateful for having them. Let us relax them all with a deep breath. With a smile on your face, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. All the organs are deeply relaxed and happily energized and are smiling, happy to be the part of your body. Now slowly bring your attention to the right hand. Observe your right palm, thumb, index finger, middle, ring, and the little finger. Complete wrist, elbow, elbow to shoulder. Complete right hand. Observing it, take a breath in and breathe out. Right hand is also deeply relaxed and energized. Now bring your attention to the left hand. Observe the thumb, index finger, middle, ring, and the little finger. Complete palm and the wrist. Wrist to elbow, elbow to left shoulder. Observing the left arm, take a breath in and breathe out. The left hand is also deeply relaxed. Both our legs, both our hands are always taking care of our movement. Without them, we are helpless. Let us respect our hands and legs, the respect they deserve. Take a breath in and breathe out. Now let us bring our attention to the neck region. Observe the emptiness of your neck, the hollowness of the throat. Take your attention to the mouth. Observe the hollowness of your mouth, the tongue, teeth, jaws, lips. Now let us take our attention to the nostrils. Observe the space inside your nose. Observe the tip of your nose. Take your attention to the eyebrow center. Observe your eyeballs, complete round balls. Take your attention to your ears. Observe the space inside your ears. Observe your cheeks, the fluffiness of the cheeks. Observe your forehead, the hardness of the forehead. Observe the top of your head, center of the top of your head, back of your head, back of the neck. Observe the shoulder blades, complete spine. Observe your sitting bones. entire back of your body, complete body, resting right now. Observe like you're standing far away and watching your body relax. With a smile on your face, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Complete body is deeply relaxed and happily energized. Let us be grateful for this body. Without this, we could not experience this beautiful life. The body is a gift to us by the nature, by the God. Let us respect this body. Let us be thankful for this body. Continue taking long and deep breaths and keep on relaxing with a smile on your face. लंबी गहरी सांसें जारी रखें, गहरा विश्राम करें. Slowly become aware of your breath. Take another breath in. Breathe out. Gently move your toes and fingers. Become aware of the body and the surroundings. Slowly rub your palms. You may cover your eyes. And slowly, slowly, you may open your eyes, look at your palms, and relax. So how is everybody? How are you feeling? Relaxed? Yes? Yeah? Enjoyed the relaxation? Yes? Great. Yeah. And what about your mind? How the mind is? Are you getting so many thoughts? Or you are missing out of thoughts? Yeah. So what we did, we took our awareness to our body, to our breath. Yeah. And what happened when we take our attention to different things, we are able to relax better. Generally, what is happening? So many thoughts are coming in and you are doing some work and the thoughts are related to some other actions, maybe past or future, and the sync is not there. The work, what you are doing, the thoughts which are running in your mind are not in sync. Yeah. And that lead to stress. Yes. And when this stress happened, then, the behavior also changes. You are not able to respond. Instead of that, you react in the situations. So this happens with everyone, isn't it? But just what we did today, and you can notice yourself how the body is, how the mind is, how are you feeling right now. So with this simple yogic techniques, these techniques are given to us by our ancient scientists. Yeah, Indian scientists, I call them the rishis. So these techniques are so effective, you have experienced. So why not use them? You can use them and make your life much better, isn't it? Yeah, and very easy. What we did? Nothing. We're just relaxing. All right. So now we will learn some breathing. Okay. So we will be doing breathing. So the name of the pranayam is, we'll start with Bhastrika Pranayam. Okay. So Bhastrika Pranayam can be done sitting on a chair also. But if you are not sitting on a chair, you are, have your yoga mat, then you sit in Vajrasana. And when you want to practice the same technique at home, then you can sit in Vajrasana. So when we sit in Vajrasana, the position is like that our spine remain erect by default. Usually we sit like this only. After some time you may, keep start slouching, but mostly we always sit straight when we sit in Vajrasana. So keeping your spine erect is important. Okay. So those who can't, sit in Vajrasana also, they can sit simply. Just make sure to keep your spine erect. Okay. All right. So for Bhastrika, we will be taking hand positions like this. You keep your thumb inside and make fist. Yeah, loose fist, not tight one, loose fist in front of your shoulders. Okay. Now, as you inhale, you will take your hands up and your fingers will open, your palms will open when the hands will go up. And as you exhale, your hands will come down. Okay, and thumb is outside of the fist. Don't keep your thumb inside, thumb is outside. Yeah, as you inhale, your hands will rise up. As you exhale, the hands will come back. So people who have hypertension issues, or people who, if anybody is pregnant here, or if anyone is, having some stomach related recent surgeries, so they should do it very lightly, without any pressure. And others who are fit, they can, fit, I mean, they don't have hypertension, they don't have, no pregnancy issues or no, stomach issues, then you can do it with little force. So pay attention how I am doing, then we will all will be doing together. Okay, so let's just watch. Okay, so little pressure we have to give, not so much of pressure. The smile should remain on your face, so there should be a comfort. Yeah, so with force we are just stretching our hands up, our body is getting stretched fully, and as you exhale, that is also with force, you exhale and come back. Yeah, and easily freely your elbows will come back. Okay, all right, so we will do this 3 sets we will be doing. Okay, 3 rounds of this pranayama. So try to keep your eyes closed. Initially you watch. First round, you can, keep your eyes open and watch. And once you feel, okay, you got the technique, you keep your eyes closed and do it all 3 rounds. Yeah. So at the end, we'll do share how you felt. All right. Let us sit straight, eyes closed, make fist. Take a breath in and breathe out. Another normal breath in. Completely exhale and empty your lungs. Now for Bhastrika Pranayama with full enthusiasm. Breathe in, out. Swas andar, bahar. Breathe in, out. Swas andar, bahar. Breathe in, out. Continue, everyone. And relax, everyone, with eyes closed. Relax. Both your hands on your knees. Palms are open towards the sky. Observe the sensations in your body. Observe the energy levels. Relax. Now let us get ready for the second round. Bhastrika ka दूसरा round करेंगे. Same hand positions. Loose fist in front of your shoulders. Elbows close to your body. Have a smile on your face. Take a normal breath. And let go. Another deeper breath in. Completely breathe out. With full enthusiasm, with forceful breath, breathe in, out. Swans andar, bahar. In, out. Swans andar, bahar. In, out. करते जाएंगे. Smile on your face. And relax. After completing this round, you may relax. Hands on your knees, palms open upward. Look within. Observe the energy inside, the prana in your body. Now let us all get ready for final round of Bhastrika Pranayam. Loose fist in front of your shoulders, spine erect, neck erect, a gentle smile on your face. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Another deeper breath in and completely exhale. पूरे उत्साह के साथ forceful breath में breathe in, out. श्वास अंदर, बाहर. In, out. श्वास अंदर, बाहर. करते जाएं. Continue. And relax. विश्राम करेंगे ये राउंड के बाद. दोनों हाथों को अपने घुटनों पे रखें, ऊपर की ओर खुले हुए. पूरा ध्यान अंदर ले जाएंगे. Observe what is happening inside. Observe the energy levels in the body and relax. Slowly, slowly, taking your time, you may open your eyes. So how is everybody? How are you feeling? Ankit, would you like to share? कैसा लग रहा है? Just unmute.
Yeah, feeling good and relaxed.
Yeah, great. All right. So all of you are able to follow this pranayam. Any doubts, any queries, you can ask. Everyone clear with this? Yes? All right. So now you may come out of Vajrasana. Vajrasana ke bahar aa jaएं. You may stretch your legs. You may massage your legs. You can move your toes, your ankles. और आराम से बैठ जाइए. You can sit in cross leg position. All right. तो अभी हम जो प्राणायाम करेंगे, the pranayam that we are going to do, its name is Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. People also know it with Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shuddhi. Okay. So how it has to be done? You need to keep you must be doing it certain way. Yeah. Let's do what I am telling you right now and see how you feel. Yeah. So let us experience this. So we'll keep our left hand on the left knee, sorry, and our right hand, thumb will remain on the right nostril. Then next two fingers will come on the eyebrow center and last two fingers on the left nostril. Okay, so this is our hand position. So now what we will be doing with eyes closed, first take a normal breath, everyone. And breathe out. Another deeper breath. And let go. First, you need to close your right nostril with the thumb. Open the left nostril and breathe deeply from the left nostril. Now close the left side, open the right side and exhale from the right nostril. Breathe in from the right. Close the right, breathe out from the left. So this is how we need to continue, okay? So what we are doing, we are inhaling from left side and exhaling from right side. And again, we are inhaling from right and exhaling from left. So alternate nostril breathing we have to do. You can keep your left hand in chin mudra if possible. Tip of the thumb, tip of the index finger gently touching each other. No pressure. And keep it on the knee and the other hand on the nostril. So now we'll begin the practice. एक और लंबी सांस लें, deep breath in and exhale. Breathe in from the left nostril. Close the left, open the right, breathe out from right. Breathe in from right. Close the right, open the left, breathe out from left. करते जाएं, continue in the same way everyone. Keep on observing how the breath is going from the left and taking a turn and coming from right. And the reverse as well. Pay attention to the breath. Pay attention to your eyebrow center. Have a smile on your face. आराम से सांस लेना है. Like you're smelling some lovely fragrance. जैसे कोई खुशबू ले रहे हैं. धीमी सांस. Slow breath. Relax after completing this round of breath. ये round पूरा करके विश्राम करें. Both the palms are on your knees, open upward. पूरा ध्यान अंदर ले जाएं. Bring your attention inwards. Observe if there are any sensations in your body. मुस्कुराते हुए विश्राम करें. Slowly, you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोलिए. All right. So, how is everyone? कैसा लग रहा है? Were you able to follow? Yes. All right. So, we learned 2 breathing practices today, Bhastrika and Nadi Shodhan. So, which one should be done? Both are very good. Both can be done, first Bhastrika, then Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. And what are the benefits? The Bhastrika Pranayama, you must have felt that there is the difference in the energy levels. So whenever you feel like you don't have energy or you are tired and you have so many things to do and you don't have time to, take break. So you can do this Bhastrika Pranayama. Instead of, having tea or, other beverages like, people have Red Bull and all to, get that kick to continue your work. Instead of that, if you do this Bhastrika Pranayama, you'll feel like the energy is automatically getting raised up without any external source, and which actually causes harmful, side effects. So make sure that you try Bhastrika, and you can share your experience later with all of us, that how it felt. Yeah, so instead of going for tea break or coffee break, you can do Bhastrika Pranayama and have a fruit instead. All right. So now we will be experiencing a meditation. So for starting the meditation, we will be doing 3 rounds of Omkar chanting. Yeah, everyone must be aware of Om sound. So Om is recognized all over the world. It is not, linked with any one religion. So this sound, when we make, it generates some resonance. So these vibrations which are generated, the resonance that happens with us, with our body, with our mind, with our existence, that resonance, relaxes our whole system, whole being. Yeah. So just try it out. And if you feel like, oh, you can't chant it, you just listen to it. Okay. All right. Let us sit straight. Close your eyes. Achha, those who have problem in sitting for longer time, you can use back support. Okay. So don't be miserable. Only thing is, if you're using back support, keep your spine erect. Don't use like this or this. Make sure the support is making you sit straight only. Okay. All right. Close your eyes. Take a breath in and breathe out. Another deeper breath in. Completely exhale. For Om chanting, take another deeper breath. Om. Breathe in. Om. Om. Relax, observing the sound of Omkara, observing the vibrations, the energy after chanting Om. Just observe. Now take your attention to the sounds in the surrounding. See what all sounds you can hear right now. Maybe a sound from fan, sound from people talking around, just observe any sounds coming wherever you are. Listen to each one of them. Accept all the sounds in the surroundings. Be in harmony with all the sounds. They are no longer bothering you. You are in peace with the sounds. Now let us, from outside, come to our body. Take your attention to the whole body. Sitting right now. Observe the legs. Observe the lower back. Observe the tummy. Observe the chest, shoulders, complete spine, both the arms, neck, face, and head. Observing the whole body, take a breath in and breathe out. The body is completely relaxed. Now from body, let us move to our breath. Take your attention to your nose. Observe the tip of your nose. Observe the air around your nose. Observe how the air around your nose is entering from your nostrils. Right nostril, left nostril. With the help of the windpipe reaching to your lungs, giving oxygen, giving energy to the whole body. And as you exhale, all the toxins are released from lungs back to your nostrils, back to outside of your nose. And the body get free, get relaxed. Keep on observing this breathing process.
Things are there. First, make that a list, then call me, then we'll discuss.
Be with eyes closed, everyone. Keep your eyes closed.
And don't spend much time. Keep on. It is going for a long now. Okay. Try to understand. So you need to bring up that factor into picture. So you have to accordingly check it, because other things are planned. Things are going to get delayed. So you need to turn around to
Some issue. Kindly use chat box. If anything you want to share, please use chat box. As people are meditating, let the meditation over and then you can all speak, okay? All right. Let us keep your eyes closed, all of you. Observe your breath. Come back to your breath. With a smile on your face, take a breath in and breathe out. From the day we are born, From the day we will leave this planet, we are breathing. First act of our life and the last act of our life. When we breathe in, we came in this world. And the last breath, when we will exhale, will leave. Our whole life lies between this inhalation and exhalation. Let us respect our breath. धन्यवाद करें अपनी श्वासों का. Let us be grateful for every breath which we have already taken, the breath which is entering or exiting right now, and the breath that we will be taking in the future. धन्यवाद करें हर श्वास का. Now let us move from breath to our thoughts. Observe your thoughts. Whether a good thought or a bad thought, let it come. चाहे अच्छे विचार हैं या बुरे विचार हैं, जैसे भी हैं, उन्हें आने दें. Do not resist your thoughts. Be in harmony with them. Now let us take our attention to our emotions. अपनी भावनाओं के प्रति अपना ध्यान ले जाइए. Observe your feelings. Whether a happy feeling or a sad feeling or a neutral feeling, just observe, pay attention. Do not resist your feeling. Let them come out. Take a breath in and breathe out. Who am I? कौन हूँ मैं? Am I this body that keeps on changing? Am I the breath that also comes and goes and change? Am I thoughts that also keeps on changing? Am I feelings that also change? Who am I? पूछे अपने आप से. I am love. I am peace. I am joy. Let go of all your efforts. सभी प्रयत्नों को छोड़ दें और गहरा विश्राम करें. Completely relax. Slowly take a breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your feelings. Slowly become aware of your thoughts. Become aware of your breath. Take a breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your body and the surroundings. Gently move your toes and fingers. Listen to the sounds in the surroundings. And whenever you feel like slowly, slowly, you may open your eyes. So how is everybody? कैसे हैं सभी लोग? Somebody wants to share. Sahana, can you please share, unmute, and let us all know how are you feeling? Umaji.
यस वेरी नाइस
Yeah.
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मेडिटेशन में एकदम माइंड एकदम लाइट बॉडी एकदम लाइट फील हो रही है और थॉट्स एकदम रिड्यूस हो चुके हैं कंप्लीट और बॉडी भी एकदम फटीग फ्री टायर्डलेस एकदम शांत और एकदम काम पीसफुल स्टेट बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है एकदम ब्लिस स्टेट पर थैंक यू सो मच स्वाति जी आपका सेशन बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और एकदम हल्का हल्का ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे एक माइंड में शरीर में कुछ एक वजन लेकर हम ढो रहे हैं एक वजन लेकर चल रहे हैं और ये आपकी क्लास आपके सेशन के बाद में एकदम जैसे लाइट एकदम सब कुछ लाइट हो गया माइंड हल्का हो गया शरीर भी हल्का हो गया और एकदम रिलैक्स बस अब कुछ नहीं अब बहुत ही एनर्जेटिक भी फील कर रहे हैं ऐसा भी नहीं है कि स्लीपी माइंड है लेकिन एनर्जेटिक भी है
Very nice, very nice. You had very nice experience. I'm very happy to know. And you know, this is what we do. What we are doing is we are, yeah, somebody speaking. Ibrahim. Ibrahim ji, your voice is not clear. Okay. All right. So this is very important that we are actually always busy in our lives. We are doing this or doing that. And if we are not doing also, we are, you know, sometimes we are wasting our time in just doing things which are not actually needed. What needed is the break the mind needs. Yeah. So this now when this lockdown came, this corona came, many of you got chance, many of us got this chance to, you know, see how the mind behaves when we are inside the house, when we are not meet everybody, then we have to face our mind and how it behaves. So like this, we can understand that now the health of our mind is also very important. It is not just physical health, but our mental health is very important. And yoga is the way in which you will get this complete well-being. It is not just asanas, it is not just breathing or not just meditation, but each and every action you do, each and every time you spend, everything, the whole well-being of any individual. So this is how, we can take care of our lives. It is all there in our scriptures. Everything is there. Yeah. Only thing is we have to start using it. Yeah. So by doing what we did today, we just did some gentle movements of our joints. We did some breathing, we did relaxation and meditation. Yeah. And giving this time that body needs, this mind needs. If you will notice, your mind is always running with the thoughts. And the thoughts can be of past, it can be of future. And what we are actually missing is the present. So when our attention is in the present, we'll see that our work is done in the best way. Yeah. But when we are in the tension, in the hurry, in the rush, then what happens? This stress keep on building up. Oh, we have so many things to do and there is no time and no energy. And then the stress keep on building up. So what we can do, the work will not stop, work will keep on coming. But what we can do is we can take care of this energy inside us. Time is also given to each and everyone same. So time also we can't increase. But what we can do is we take care of this energy. And by doing yoga, so you get relaxation also and the energy also. So many of you must be feeling relaxed and at the same time energized as well. Yeah, like how Umaji mentioned that we are not feeling sleepy. There is energy as well, but we are feeling relaxed. So when you are in this state, then you can, take better decision. Whichever situation is, maybe the situation is not good. Maybe the situation is not as per what we want. But if we are in this state of relaxation and energy, then we can take better decisions, isn't it? There was stress earlier as well. You must have faced some difficult challenges in your life earlier also. And you can see now you have come out of it. Maybe right now in your life, you may be feeling some challenges. So you will get out of this all as well. You have gone through it earlier as well. So by taking stress, by always keep on thinking about that, that issue, that person or anything, it is not going to help. What is going to help is to be in equanimity, to be in that center. And that center state is provided with doing yogic practices, doing meditation. So meditation plays an important role. Maybe you are doing some physical, activity to take care of your physical health. It can be swimming, it can be running, it can be any aerobics, dancing, gym, anything. But meditation is very important for your mental health. So meditation is not concentrating on anything. Concentration is a way that you can reach to meditative state. And by doing meditation, you can increase your concentration power. What is meditation? It is actually experiencing this present moment. When you are in the depth of this present moment, you are meditating. So when there is, the future and the past, when you are always jumping here and there like a monkey, then it is not going to happen. And when you want, all the thoughts go away, all the thoughts go away, all the thoughts go away, it will not happen. You just have to relax. Yeah, and the relaxation is the key to meditation. So you don't have to focus anywhere and you feel that you are meditating. As relaxed as you are, as much as you are occupied in the present moment, you will get that relaxing state. Yeah. So any question anybody wants to ask? Anything related to yoga or any life situation that you are stuck in and you feel that this yogic knowledge can help you. Please share.
Yes, Swadiji, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Thanks for the amazing session, Swadiji. Actually, I could scan completely through my body from the tip of my toes to the head, completely relaxed. Thanks for the session. Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you so much. And can I have 2 doubts? I think we have mentioned the pranayama Bhastrika, right? So how many stroke a normal person can go at as a beginner? Maybe 10 or 20, or do we have any number limit in that?
Sure. I will tell you. So Bhastrika Pranayam, you can do 3 sets, and in each sets you can do around 15 to 20 breaths. As a beginner, you can start with 10 breaths, And with practice, you can increase till 20 breaths. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. That's helpful. Yeah, thank you. And one more doubt, like we have done two meditation and two pranayama sessions, right? Like we in the cross-leg posture, we did one meditation, then we went on to pranayama Bhastrika, then we went on to Nadi Shuddhi, then again deep meditation, right? That was the sequence.
Right.
So yeah, so if a person is doing daily, so what would be the recommended flow of this meditation and pranayama? Whether we can do one in a day or we can do as per the flow you have mentioned today. That was excellent actually. So we may not be able to do it the complete pranayama and the meditation session completely in a day because we have to include yogasanas also, right? So what would be your recommended
Yeah, I
flow?
understand. So what you can do it today, as many of you were on chair. That's why after asanas, after some gentle asanas, we were sitting and relaxing. Otherwise, that relaxation, the meditation that we did earlier, that need to be done in shavasana position, just lying down on your yoga mat, and then you can take the attention to your complete body. You can walk through your whole body mentally. Yeah, so this mental rest is very, very beneficial. It is also known as yoga nidra, shavasana. In hatha yoga, it is known as shavasana. So this yoga nidra, shavasana, that is actually 30 minutes of this is equal to 3 hours of sleep. There are many research publications for yoga nidra, shavasana. So this relaxes your body. But as you said, there may be time constraint and you may not be able to practice the whole 1.5 hour practice. So what you can do is you can do your yoga practices, asanas practices, or if you are doing any exercises or walking, so you can do any physical thing for like 10-15 minutes. And after doing that physical activity, you can relax in Shavasana completely for some time. You can take your awareness throughout your body and breathe. So then after relaxation, for 10 minutes of relaxation, you can, again come back, sit and do pranayama. So after that, you can do 10 minutes of pranayama, Bhastrika and Nadi Shodhan pranayama. And then after that, you just meditate. So in meditation, what we did is, the name of the meditation that we did today is Panchakosha meditation. So there are like 5 koshas in which our total existence exists. This is as per our Upanishads, our ancient text. Taittiriya Upanishad has this mentioning about Panchakosha meditation. So in this meditation, we are actually bringing our attention from outside to inside. So we observe the environment, then we observe our body, then the breath, then we take our attention to our thoughts and feelings, and then just we will relax. Yeah, so you can do this. This is the meditation for beginners. So you can definitely start this. So 10 minutes of this meditation. So like this, in 20 minutes, you can, take care. At least 20 minutes, everyone can take out, isn't it? So 10 minutes asanas, 10 minutes relaxation, 10 minutes, pranayam, and last 10 minutes meditation. Yeah. And you are good to start your day. So the best time is to do it in the morning. Okay. All right. Now I would like to share some of the activities that are done by One World Yoga. Yeah. So just I will be sharing my screen. You all can have a look. All right. Can you all see my screen? Just show me thumbs up if yes. Okay. All right. Next page. I have to share again. Please hold on. Sorry for making you wait. Okay, so you can see my screen now, everyone? Yes?
Yes, yes, Sadhuji.
Okay. So One World Yoga provide different services for different age groups of people. So here you can see this poster showing you that it gives services to senior citizens, taking care of their health, taking care of their diet, their complete lifestyle. Yeah. So senior citizens, we have special offers like parents can join, and so many comfortable option as per the timings, as per the suitable timing of senior citizens. In the same way, we have detox sessions. So detox sessions is not just physical detox, but mental detox as well. So we conduct Shat Karma over weekends, Saturday and Sunday, early morning. So these are the ancient techniques through which our body is cleaned, our mind is relaxed. So these techniques are very easy to learn, and this help you make self, you become independent, and you can take care of the issues like simple cough and cold, fever, constipation, gastric issues. So these can be taken care very, very easily with the Shat Karma technique. So once you know the technique, they will remain with you forever. Like how you learn swimming, in the same way, these Shat Karmas are very powerful. Then about the diet. So diet is also very, very important. So it is not just okay, that poster is missing here. So diet is very, very important. So it is not that we are doing our yoga, doing everything, but then we are not taking care of our diet. So our ancient literatures has mentioning about sattvic diet. Bhagavad Gita talks about sattvic diet. So Hatha Yoga Pratipika talks about yogic diet. So it's very important that we should be aware about our diet as well, because sometimes we feel that, yeah, this is very good for me. But when we start eating it and when we come to know about it, then we find out that, oh, this is the main culprit of the issue. So with the diet, many issues can be taken care of our well-being. So this is also very important factor, that you have sattvic diet instead of eating outside food, which is very easily available. But whenever you are saving your time now, with the saving of time, you bring lots of issues with you. So try to have fresh food as much as possible, which is freshly cooked at your home. And if not, then you can carry your dabbas wherever you go, instead of opting for this biscuits and these snack items, which are actually loaded with so many harmful preservatives and whatnot. So this also guidance is given with One World Yoga. So anybody wants to change their lifestyle, their kitchen habits, eating habits, can also opt for a sattvic lifestyle. And we also provide yoga sessions and complete well-being session for during pregnancy. So how your diet should be, what kind of activity lady should perform during pregnancy. And for kids also, we have sanskar classes. So our education system is teaching all the things, but the most important things are sanskars. So these healthy habits that one must have, that confidence level, that people can kids can interact with each other in the society, instead of just sitting in front of camera, sitting in front of screen, or taking their pictures, video, selfie, and all these kind of stuff. Mostly the children are involved these days. So we also provide classes for children, and that is only on weekends, on Saturday or Sunday. So you can even enroll your kids, and they can also learn yoga and sanskar. So it is done in a fun way, with games. They are introduced with our human values. And in the same way, we also offer general public yoga classes. So they can join in the morning time or evening time. Regular classes are there. So morning 7 to 8 timing is, and 5:30 to 6:30 early morning, and evening time is 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So any of you, if you are interested, you can register oneworld.yoga. You can find it easily on Facebook or Instagram, and you can WhatsApp you can WhatsApp on the number and register for the classes. And any doubts, if you have related to this, you can always ask. All right. So any questions? Any last question, everyone? Okay. All right, so we'll end the session with a prayer, okay? So everybody sit with spine erect, neck erect, join your palms. Take a breath in. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Relax, everyone. Slowly rub your palms, cover your eyes. And with few blinks, you may open your eyes, look at your palms, look to the Mother Earth, pranam kare. और आंखें खोलेंगे. All right. So make sure you share the feedback of the session. You can share the feedback of the session to the coordinators. And if you require, we can have more such sessions in future as well. And do participate in the next workshops also. Full participation is needed. Those who have taken the full, sessions for this workshop, parallel algorithm. So make sure you complete all your sessions and share your feedback. Yeah. All right. Thank you for joining. Thank you, everyone. Jai
Okay.
Gurudev.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you for the session, ma'am. It was a very mind and soul enriching session, ma'am. And I hope this knowledge and the session finds a way to help our participants. And thank you for sharing your experiences with us, ma'am. And on behalf of the participants, ma'am, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude for being the part of our workshop, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Namaste.